by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from Howick, F&F Build It in KZN.
Our store's been running for over 35 years in the Howick area. We offer a wide variety of paint, hardware and general items for the greater Howick community.
The reason why I'm so proud about this store is that we cater for everybody. We don't even care where you come from or who you are or what you do for a living. We just cater for you.
Our customers are from young and old in the Howick area. We offer a wide variety of products for contractors, DIY and general maintenance.
The only thing that makes the store the best store in the Howick area is our service. We serve you with a smile. You must be able to be like, I'm ready to help. Don't let people be like, can you please help me? You're the one who must offer the help, so the customer service is the best.
This is the best hardware store to buy Plascon products because of the variety of products we keep, the excellent pricing, and we offer services such as tinting and matching colors. What I like about the Plascon brand is it's got a rich history in South Africa that customers can trust, as well as the wide variety of products that they keep and the competitive prices.
My favorite Plascon product is the double velvet. I love it because it can cover the hairline. I love it because it's got that sheen, and I love it because you don't have to do it again.
Our DIY tip would be that preparation is key. You need to ensure that your surface is stable, sound and clean. My DIY motto is to make things better. The easiest and best way to do that is by putting a fresh coat of paint in your house.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon, Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.